Students, today we're going to do the capstone project of Microsoft PowerPoint, and the title of this project is Reynold University presentation. It is the capstone project B. You can see 1 to 2 capstone project B. Before starting, make sure that you have these 5 support files as well, because we're going to use them in the presentation. And if you want me to do this assignment for you, or the complete course of PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Access, business analytics, or financial projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp or over the email, and I will complete your assignment for you and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. It's a very economical service in terms of price, and also it's available 24/7, so you can text me round the clock. Moving to the first step, that is, you work as a recruitment officer for Reol University. Your manager, Azadi Ahmadi, he asks you to finalize presentation that you will present at local high school to promote an upcoming spring open house at university. Change the design of the presentation as follows to use the university standard design. So basically this is a role that you are assigned, so we have to act accordingly. Okay, so the first one is that apply a custom theme from the file to all the slides in the presentation. So basically, whenever you are asked to change the theme, there is a simple way. You can go to the design tab, and here in the theme section you can select any theme you want. But in this case we are going to use the theme which is available on this PowerPoint. Okay, so for this we need to go to the design tab, theme section, browse for themes, and here you have to find, this is the file, and so this is the theme that we were needing, and it's applied to all those slides, you can see. And change the theme color to violet. So for this you need to go to the variants section, click here, colors, and violet. That's it. Now if you want to reconfirm it, just open the Reynold. You can see it has the same one but a different color scheme, but it was the same one. Okay, so we are done with the step number 1. Moving to step number 2, that is, insert a footer as follows to identify the name throughout the presentation. Include the slide number in the footer. Enter Reol University as a footer text. So I'm going to copy the text which I would place that is to be shown in each slide except the title slide. So now you go to insert tab, and here click on the header and footer section. Include the slide number, click the footer, and here paste the text that we want to be displayed in the footer. Now it says display the footer on all slides except the title slide. So here you have to check this box which says do not show on the title slide. Apply to all. So now if you click here, you will see this text and a page number, the text and the page number, but it is not showing on the title slide. Moving next to step number 3, that is, on slide 1, enter Reol University in the title placeholder to provide the title. So again, copy it. You can type it also. Okay, in title 1, in slide 1, you have to paste this. That's it. So this is also completed. Moving to step number 4, that is, on slide 2, insert a picture as follows to illustrate the content of the slide. Okay, this is slide 2. Use the content placeholder on the left to insert a picture of the student. So this is the content placeholder on the left, this is on the right. So by using this left content placeholder, we have to insert an image. Just look for that from the device. Okay, to the desktop, and here click the students. So we have inserted the student image by using the content placeholder available on the left side of slide number 2. Moving to the second part of this first step, that is add a Lavender Accent 1 darker 25 border. So since this picture is applied, so we are going to add a picture border color. So as you click this picture, you will see a picture format tab appears, and the picture border you can see Lavender Accent darker 25. This is the one. That's it. It should not be visible to you right now because it might be visible very thin border, and now we have to change the weight of the border so that it should be visible. It's 4.5. Again, select the picture border, weight 4.5. Now you see a clear border picture is available, which is almost of the same color as the theme width that we are using in this slide. Okay, now moving to step number 5, it says with slide 2 still displayed, increase the indent of the list atom Finel Campus, North Campus, Davis Campus in the bulleted list to use it a more logical arrangements. Now you see it, and the location, these should be the sub lists of this location. So click here and press tab. Again click here, press tab, click here and press tab. Now these ones makes a bit more logical arrangements. Okay, so moving to step number 6, that is remaining on slide 2, add and modify animation on slide as follows to make the content more lively. Remove the animation from the slide title. Okay, one more thing, don't be confused with this one. This is the slide title, and this is title slide. Okay, so only the words are changing, but it makes, if you are asked to change the title slide, okay, so the title slide is this one, and if you're asked to change the slide title, so the slide title is this one. Now since it says remaining on slide 2, it means we are on slide 2. It says add and modify on the slide, remove the animation from slide title. So this is the slide and it is the title, so we have to remove the animation from it. Okay, so go to the animation. One more thing, sorry, I'm preparing you and I'm teaching you in a way that in the future you will be able to do these kind of assignments in the offices or where you work. It will be very easier for you. So if you want to learn how to do these all projects regarding Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or the data entry projects, do text me on the WhatsApp and I will help you in all those, even in your professional life as well. Okay, so do save my number. So again, coming back, remove the animation from the slide title. So for this you need to select first this one, go to the animation. Now you see a wipe animation has been applied to this, we have to remove it. Select none. Animate the content placeholder on the right using the float in entrance animation. This is the content placeholder on the right, and animation we have to use float in entrance animation, and change the direction of the animation to float down. So here you can change the direction, float down. And in the next one it says change the start setting to after previous. So start setting should be after previous. Moving to step number 7, that is on slide 3. This is the one. Getting your questions answered, format the picture as follows to provide more visual interest. So we have to format the picture. Resize the picture to a height of 3.5. So select the picture. A picture format tab will appear, and now you have to adjust the height. I guess it was the height. Yes, height to 3.5. Apply the drop shadow rectangle picture style. So while you have already selected it, go to the picture format and picture style, and it was the one with the drop shadow rectangle. This is the one. That's it. Next, it says crop the picture to rectangle round corners in the rectangles section of the crop to shape gallery. Rectangle round corners. So select the shape, crop it, crop to the shape, rectangle around corners. That's it. Moving to step number 8, that is with slide 3 still displayed, add all text to the picture that reads question black background, question mark with black background. So we have to we have to type the text, the alt text of the picture. So alt text is used whenever a person don't know why this image is shown, so you can just click the alt text and view what is this picture about. So that's it. Just paste it. I think that's it for this video. If I keep on doing completing the assignment, it will be a very lengthy video, and if you want me to do the second part of it, do text me on the WhatsApp and I will send you the video for the second part, and I will prepare those assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, you just need to share the files over the WhatsApp and I will complete the assignment for you. So do text me if you want any sort of help regarding this completion of this assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.